I just wanted to talk a little bit about the distortions we're seeing collectively right now and how people are programmed or manipulated to act in certain ways and how you can avoid that. So, essentially, what happens, and I've studied this, what happens with brainwashing or patterning, programming people, okay? You can see it in the energy field. So, if somebody is going to be emotionally manipulated, what happens is the collective energies in organization, etc., they will intentionally shut down the mind, the throat, even the gut, root, sacral, everything except for the heart. That makes you highly suggestible and easy to manipulate emotionally. Okay. So, people that are shut down in all chakras except for the heart, even though they're very loving and empathetic and open, can be easily programmed and manipulated to do things that they wouldn't otherwise do. Okay. Then on the other side of that spectrum, we have the mental um, manipulation. Okay. So this is overly logical. Okay. This is overthinking, over plotting, looking into things with so much analysis that there is no intuition left. Okay. So that's the other side of the spectrum. And what happens there is the heart gets shut down, the gut gets shut down, and all they're doing is thinking. Okay. That's why coherence is key. When the mind is active, open, the third eye, and the heart is open, active, and then the gut is open and active. You have those three areas that have to be moving fluently for people to really align with truth and with the best course of action for themselves. Okay. If those are shut down, then you open yourself up for manipulation. And we're looking at mass programming. Okay. We're looking at programming through music, news, social media. A lot of the stuff that's pushed in social media will get you to think a certain way. You're also get in these circles of the algorithm that does not allow you to expand out of what you're already seeing. And because of that, you're more influenced by those programs because they're repeating in your mind and in your field. So the key here is to keep your chakras open and activated, okay? The less distortions you have in your field, chaos, cords, rips, tears, holes, that type of thing, the less easy it is for you to be brainwashed and manipulated. Okay. If you have a crystalline field and even if your light body hasn't activated, but your field is clear and there's no distortions in there, it's going to be a lot harder for people to get you to do things that is not in your highest good. Okay. It's going to be harder for programs for you to be programmed, brainwashed, distorted, or manipulated. Okay. Your field not only helps with that, so that helps you to stay in your sovereignty. It also helps with your physical health, your mental health, and your emotional health. If your field is clear, then you can always come back to balance. It doesn't mean you're going to be perfect because this path is not about perfection. Okay, you as a human being will always have flaws. It's about your field being crystalline and perfect, okay, which you can manage through the raw human emotions. Okay, you can manage your field once you learn about it, then you can adjust and rebalance anytime you need to and understand what's going on because you have a crystalline energy around you that helps you to perceive with more clarity. Okay, so the more you focus on your light body and your energy field, keeping that clear, aligned, open, and harmonious, the less likely you will move into any sort of programmed, fractured space that is not in your highest good and is not in alignment with source. Okay, your field determines the alignment with source and your path moving forward.